Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a brand new iPad Pro 3rd generation device. Overall, this is an amazing device. Here in this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this device and say something about the features and specifications. As you all know that the packing and finishing of any Apple device is amazing, always. But yes, there is always a but, right? Is this device really worth to spend this much amount of money? I hope you can find that out after watching this video. Let's just jump into that then. As I was saying before, the Apple has done really a great job in packing the stuffs. It's really amazing. Let's just take this plastic coating out and then let's just have that device in our hand. This is it. This is Apple iPad Pro 3rd generation device. It has another coating with the device. Let's just remove that. The design is very sleek and a curved one, and the curved one is really making this device beautiful. And this device supports USB Type-C. I don't know why it wasn't available in the Apple products before, but finally it is there. And this is the magnetic field. This is where we can attach our Apple Pencil. This is the camera we have here. It is 12 megapixel and the camera quality is really good. I have already attached a video which I have taken with this device in this video itself, so keep watching. I really like the display of this device and it is really smooth. Now let's just turn our device on. It will just take a few seconds to turn the device on. Once the device is on, you can get hello in different languages. For example, hello, hola, and so on. So to skip this, we just need to press the down button. Now it will ask us to set the language and the region. Once it is done, it will ask you to sign in with your Apple ID. So before you go through this process, you will have to get an Apple ID. And if you don't have, just go and sign up for the same. Then you are free to use this device. This is the package. As you all know that Apple will not provide more accessories to any of their device. So whatever you need, you will have to purchase separately. It has a lot of documents with different languages. So you can just read the documents, whatever the language you wish to read with. It has all the details provided, how we can handle this device and what we can expect from this device and so on. That's not a big deal. Let's just put all this paper into the container. Now this is it. It has only a power cable and power adapter, USB Type-C power cable and adapter. The packing here also, it looks really professional. And once you stick your adapter in the container box, it will not shake at all. And this is the Type-C cable that you can get with the device. You also have a pin there, and once you stick into the container box, it will not actually rotate. So it's a clever way of packing things, right? It's really a good job there. And this is the holder for the camera. So once you place your device on top of this, camera will stick into that hole. So as you can see, the design is really cool and smooth. I really like this sleek design and the color finishing and everything. Apple's iPad provides two colors, which is silver and space gray. The capacity of this device is 64 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. So you can choose what capacity you want, and of course you will have to pay more as you select. There are two type of device, Wi-Fi models and Wi-Fi plus cellular models. You can choose as per your needs. The display here is liquid retina display, and the chip here used is A12X Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture, and this is one of the fastest processor chip that we have in the market now. It is super fast when it compares to other computers. Apple has done really an amazing job here. The camera is 12 megapixel one, and it supports a lot of modes with the camera, and you can experience that as well. It supports Pro mode, burst mode, timer mode, photo, geotagging, and a lot of stuffs that you can expect with any iPhone or iPad. Video recording is possible, 4K video recording at 30 FPS or 60 FPS, and 1080 HD video recording at 30 FPS or 60 FPS, and so on. This device supports 4 speakers in all the 4 edges and 5 microphones for calls and videos and those stuffs. And the SIM card supported is nano SIMs and eSIM. I have already taken a small video just to show you how clear the video and image is when we actually use this device. I hope you like this video overall, and if you have already taken the decision whether this device is worth or not, please let me know in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. I will see you in another video. Till then, signing off, Sibeesh.